Hey guys, if you're just starting out, you may be thinking, I have no clue what steps I should take. Many feel this way, they're stuck. But today I'm going to share with you your first 5 steps to take if you want to build wealth. Before we jump in though, comment below, where are you currently at in your financial journey? I love hearing your stories, and remember, if you need some help, I offer a free 30-minute coaching session where we can assess your current goals and provide a roadmap to the future. Just click the link below. Now, step number 1 that I would encourage you to take is to set some goals for what you want your future to look like. And don't just say, I want to be rich. That kind of goal won't help you when things are tough. You need to imagine what the perfect life looks like for yourself. For me, my perfect life is being full-time in real estate so that I can spend time with my family and in my ministry. I see me and my family out on a boat fishing or on the beach. This is my goal. Money is just a tool to get there. So don't make money the goal. If you want to travel, make that a goal. If you want to start a business that you're passionate about, make that a goal. Trust me, when you have a goal, you have a reason to get up every single day and grind. Step number 2 is, once you have your goals, remove the boundaries that are in the way of those goals. The number one wall that is separating you from your goals is probably debt. If you have a lot of debt, focus on paying that debt off. Now, I'm not Dave Ramsey, but I do believe bad debt is a silent killer that is best defeated before proceeding to any other steps. Put a little extra towards your debts each month and pay off the smallest debts first, then snowball. The next step I would take if I were just getting started is I would save up enough money for 3 to 6 months of my current expenses, so that if I did start the business or start investing and things didn't happen right away, I have a cushion. It's also good to have the funds set aside if something major happens, so you have an emergency fund to cover it, and you don't have to use credit cards. Next, you should begin investing, even if it's just a little bit. It's not so much about the money as it is the practice of investing. Open an Acorns account and have your spare change go directly into it. This money is then invested into stocks on your behalf. This investment grows over time, and you can see the growth right there in the app. Another way you can invest is to take your tax return and partner up with someone to purchase some real estate. You'd actually be surprised how quickly a rental portfolio can grow once you actually start buying. You have to kick fear to the curb. Lastly, I would recommend having multiple streams of income, such as real estate, a small business, investments, and so on and so forth, so that if one wasn't doing so well, the others would pick up the slack. And this, guys, is actually biblical. In Ecclesiastes 11:2, it says, invest in 7 ventures, yes, in 8. You do not know what disaster may come upon the land. If you want the best strategy for avoiding disaster, develop multiple streams of income. Just find things you're passionate about and begin making a business out of them. I have multiple wealthy friends who all have multiple businesses and investments. Start where you are with what you have. Hey guys, there you go. There are 5 steps to start with. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, do me a quick favor. Press the like and the subscribe buttons. And if you want to know one thing keeping most people broke, click this video right here. And hey guys, I'll see you on the next video.